everybody. Today I want to show you this is a Logitech mouse. It's a M325C collection wireless mouse, and this is 18 months battery life, and it's so beautiful. Have some what's the back and forward for easy web navigation, strong reliable 10-meter wireless connection, smooth and accurate cursor control, and compatibility Windows 10 later, Windows 8, Windows 7, Mac OS, and 10 by 10.10 or later. What in the box? They have a mouse, I think wireless adapter, and what's this? I don't know, maybe this is a guy. And what else? This that's all. Let me open the inside so you can see this is the inside. This look. You have a lot for the small one here. Let me cut it open so you can see. Oh, you don't have to cut it. They have the thing right here. They have this thing right here. Just do it. Okay, here. This is a mouse. Just pen, some flower. And here in the back with on off, the twist on and off here. And this is the M325C. That's a serial number and pin. And this open to Gen battery. They already have here, so I put this one. What kind of battery is this? GP, alkaline, AAA, 1.5 watt. Yeah, not for retail sale. Another. And here, only one battery. That's great because I think my other old one I have to have two battery, but you know that the batteries is cost a lot of money. It's sometimes money spent on batteries is more expensive than item. Okay, that's all for my new mouse. Actually, for my all-in-one desktop computer, the comes with that computer broken because I broke it. I dropped on the floor. Oh, did I miss something? Where is it? Oh, I don't have a this adapter, so how I use it? Oh, how come? Let's see. Here. Instruction on. Oh, that inside here. Let's see. Is it inside here? Where's that? Right here. Oh, for adapter, it's right here. It's interesting. I thought it's it doesn't come with it. Where is that? And now it's right here. changing a lot. Okay, I when I inside, I take it out right now. Just leave like this. Oh, the on wireless desktop computer wireless mouse I drop in the floor. I when I use it here, the stuff is very carefully, but somehow when I drop only one, it's broken and forever dead. So I have to buy the new one here. Okay, let's go inside and install in the computer so you can see it too. Oops. My hand, I got some oil, cooking oil stuck on my hand, that's why. Okay, let's go inside. No, I must be wrong. Here, I think that's it, nothing else. And here, this is for important safety, compliance, and quality information. So small, I am unable to read. Here, you can zoom it and to see what it says, but right now I'm unable to see it because I'm old. Okay, let me again for you here. Goodbye. Okay, once again, thank you for watching. See you next week. This is franchise and Espanol franchise here. And this is Espanol. And this side, okay, this is for Turkey. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Once again, this is my wireless mouse. Thank you for watching my video. See you next time. Bye bye. Okay, let me update this my new mouse. After I plugged in device and everything you see is it doesn't work because somehow my computer doesn't communicate with the new mouse. So that's I restarted the computer and it's worked fine, everything fine, and it's a smooth everything. So here the mouse, after a month of using, it still work fine to me, nothing wrong. But it's kind of little, that's kind of small for people with the big palm, like big hands, and then you will, like, you have a hole under your under your palm. So if you have the big palm, I think you should purchase the one that bigger, and if you have more money, you can spend on the cool mouse, like they have the great beautiful shape and curly. And this one I bought the cheap one. I bought on the Black Friday only $10. They give me the brand new one. It's still in the package and everything. And then after I use a month, the battery is still working fine. This is a stuck dust on the keyboard. Not the keyboard, the table, some like okay, this is my update for this mouse, this flower mouse. It's yeah, that's it. Okay, thank you for watching. See you next video. Bye bye.